Welcome to How to Linux channel. I'm gonna show you what is rm commands in Linux. Let's dive in. First of all, open your terminal and your test folder. If you want to delete one folder or one file, like first of all, enter your test folder. Please do not try on your primary computer because this command is dangerous. rm space and your folder name. You delete one folder. If you want to delete everything in this folder, rm space and star. You delete everything. If you want to delete everything in this system, what is the command? rm space rf slash. Permission denied because this command is dangerous. If you want to try this, use no preserve root to override this failsafe, like rf no preserve. Actually we can use sudo rf no preserve root and slash. You need to enter your root password. Watch this. You see the blue? Yeah, we delete everything. Maybe we can try open terminal. Nope, because we delete this. Delete everything. Maybe try like this. Yeah, icons is gone. All right. Maybe we can try like reset. Yes. If you reset the system, you see the grub rescue. It's mean system files is gone and system can't find this. System it's down. But if you want to try this on VirtualBox, take a snapshot like this. Take a snapshot and your snapshot name and save, or in this folder maybe, and save. How to get back to your snapshot? Close this and power off machine, restore current snapshot. Say before rm. This is your snapshot name. Click OK. And you can open again. Yeah, you see this. Yeah, this is the snapshot, my snapshot before test rm commands. Please do not try on your primary computer because this is dangerous commands. All right, thanks for your watching. If you like this video, please like or subscribe. If you wonder something, please leave a comment. See you soon, guys.